Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome back to Pretty Brown Vegan, the place for plant-based comfort foods. If you are new here, it's just welcome. In today's video, I will be showing you guys how I make my super fire vegan fried cabbage. If you guys are interested, go ahead and stay tuned. I'll show you guys how to make this from start to finish. If you enjoy this content, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And if you are not already subscribed, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you don't miss out on future uploads. To go ahead and get started, we are going to go ahead and start with a heated skillet and put some oil in there. We also are going to add in a little bit of vegan butter as well. So just go ahead and toss that together until the butter is fully melted. Once that butter is melted down and combined with the oil, we're going to go ahead and add in some diced onion. I am using one whole diced yellow onion. And we're just going to go ahead and toss that together until the onion starts to soften up, and then we're going to go ahead and add in our peppers. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and come in. I used about 5 to 6 sweet peppers. Now I just went ahead and sliced them up. Just go ahead and saute that up in the oil and the butter with the onions until everything is softened and fragrant. Okay, so if you are familiar with my channel, you know that I like to season every component of a dish. So I just go ahead and hit these with some salt and some pepper. I do use sea salt as well. You can use Himalayan pink salt, regular salt, or sea salt. I personally use sea salt here. And then we're just going to go ahead and toss that up. Okay, once that comes together, we're going to go ahead and add in our cabbage. I am using a whole head of cabbage here. I am using green cabbage. Make sure that you wash it thoroughly. And I went ahead and sliced it up, and then I just added right in. And then we're going to come in with our seasonings. Add a little bit more sea salt. I also put in some black pepper here as well. And then I also come in here with some chipotle chili pepper. If you don't have that on hand, you can use regular old chili pepper as well, or chili powder as well. And then I also use smoked paprika. I put smoked paprika on almost everything. I just feel like it's essential. And then I also come in here with some garlic pepper. And I just add in a little bit of soy sauce as well, just for a little bit of added flavoring. And I also come in with some crushed red pepper flakes. Today, I will be using this vegetable bouillon. I went to the store to get some of that Better Than Bouillon chicken flavored vegan chicken bouillon, but they didn't have any on hand, so I went ahead with this. But I prefer to use the Better Than Bouillon vegan chicken bouillon, but of course my store didn't have any on hand, so this vegetable one works just as good. It is also very flavorful as well. So just go ahead and toss everything together. Make sure all of the cabbage is nice and tossed in that buttery oil mix. And then we're just going to go ahead and pop a lid on it and let it cook. This is super simple and easy. It doesn't take much work at all. The most time it took for me was just to prep the veggies, to dice the onions, to slice the sweet peppers, and to slice up that head of cabbage, as well as washing everything. So once everything is combined, we just put the lid on here and let it go. This takes about 10 to 15 minutes altogether. And look at that, it just came together. All of the steam, it just cooks right down. Just go ahead and toss it up, and then I put the lid on it and just let it simmer on low for an additional 5 minutes. I just like everything to be super soft and tender, but super easy and too bomb. Like, look at all of that flavor, just So bomb. So that's it, y'all. Really, this is the easiest recipe. This is a super easy side. I know that we just passed Juneteenth, but I guess the 4th of July is coming up. If you guys want to use this as a side on your holiday, your day off, your barbecue, have a little side of fried cabbage. It's always good. If you guys enjoy this content, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. And again, go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you are not already subscribed. And as always, thank you so much for watching.